Hey guys, BlueGlen here, and I know I haven't done a video in a while, but my computer messed up, and I would like to know how I'd get up. Like if I press Control Alt Delete, resets it, but then so you can hear it, and it says checking media, fail. Then it goes to no boot, and then I can't do anything. And if I type anything I type just messes it up. If anybody can help me, the keyboard looks like this. It's a satellite running iOS, not iOS. It's Windows 8 Toshiba. Back looks like this. Actually, like this. Battery's up. It's the back of it. It's the front of it. But yeah. Don't know. You could tell me. Got paint all over this. But yeah. If you guys could help me, greatly appreciated. Control Alt Delete. One guy said hold 0 after you press Control Alt Delete. It doesn't work. See guys. Please comment how do I do this. I really need your help.